Alright guys, so if you can hear, again, it's pouring rain, but I've got this fly on the back of my Gladiator that helps prevent rain from coming in. Anyways, so again, I've got this hook road tailgate panel table, a cutting board, a large cutting board. So, awesome thing. I know you can get these for a lot more expensive with other companies, but I got this on Amazon for 150 bucks, I think it was 140 bucks. Anyways, this thing is awesome. So I literally can lay out food on here, cut on here. It's legit a cutting board. So anyways, I was gonna do a review on this after my install, but I guess you guys can see that at this point. So yeah, let's get started on dinner. Alright guys, so adding the sliced steak to this, I cut that up really thin just to cook it in the broth. Alright, so this thing is done cooking. Alright, so that's done cooking. So that broth is, I got it just boiling, semi-boiling, but it's hot enough that it'll cook that steak and cook those noodles. Oh yeah. Done and done. Look at that. I did make a mess. Alright, so once that's made, man, that looks good. Warm. Well, I guess it's hot. Throw a few limes in there. Some jalapenos, jalapenos. Oh yeah, plenty hot. And to top it off, add some soy sauce and some sriracha. Oh yeah, look at that. Fantastic. I think we'll crawl up in the tent, enjoy this, see how Dash is doing, and put on a movie, guys. Good morning. Oh man, it was a nice night for a camp last night. It was cold enough, but everything in here was warm. Outside was cold. My fire was crackling through most of the night, so that was kind of nice. It did rain, but of course, you know, we stayed dry in here. But yeah, anyways, me and the little guy are gonna get everything packed up and head out. So once we get that started, we'll chat with you then. Dash. You ready to pack up? You want to go see Maisie? Want to go see your sister? You want to go see Maisie? You want to go see Maisie? Is that a yes? Or do you want to go see Ray? You want to see Maisie? You want to go see Maisie? Well, guys, we are packed up, heading out of here. So Dash is ready to go. On to the next one, I guess. That was a lot of fun. It rained, unfortunately, quite a bit, but it happens. We stayed dry, we stayed warm, but man, the views out here are real beautiful. But this is a Thunderbird State Park in kind of the Norman, Oklahoma area, just east of Norman, but it's a real beautiful area. Yeah, guys, so anyways, you got my tools, I can hear it. But we're gonna head on to the next location and get this thing wrapped up for now. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Thanks for joining.